Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and this is the part 3 of our MBA Abroad series. And this video is all about money side of the things. We will explore these 8 awesome countries one by one. And when talking about finances, we will tell you 4 things for each country. First, we will break down the tuition fee for top 5 universities. Second, we will tell you the budget friendly options because we know not everyone can afford to pay high tuition fees. Then we will tell you about the approximate living expenses for most popular cities. And finally, we will go into scholarships, those magical things that help you pay for your education. अगर आपने अभी तक फिगर आउट नहीं किया है कि आपका कितना कॉस्ट आएगा in doing MBA abroad, then this video is for you. But before we begin, a quick recap. In the last 2 videos, we talked about MBA, its benefits, its drawbacks, and some cool specializations, eligibility criteria, and much more. If you missed it, you should definitely check out. The link is in the description below. Coming back to today's topic, let's start this video with the most popular country for an MBA among Indian students, the USA. Every year, approximately 10,000 Indian students pursue their MBA in American universities. With so many incredible options, choosing the perfect university for you can feel overwhelming. To simplify your search and get you started, here is a list of top 5 universities in USA for an MBA and their tuition fees. Stanford, Harvard, Wharton, MIT, and Columbia. Their tuition fee ranges from $1,52,000 to $1,68,000 US, which is approximately 1.3 crore to 1.4 crore in Indian rupees. The reality is, इतना tuition fee बहुत सारे students की reach के बाहर हो सकता है. So I will tell you about 5 affordable universities which are also quite good for an MBA. North Dakota, South Dakota, Wyoming, Appalachian State, and Southeast Missouri State. The tuition fee for these universities ranges from $24,000 to $70,000 US, which is approximately 20 to 60 lakh Indian rupees. अब जब हमने tuition fees की बात करी है, तो let's talk about the living expenses so that you can get an idea of the total investment. Living expenses vary करता है city to city, and these are the approximate expenses for rent, travel, food, and entertainment for 3 most popular cities among students: San Francisco, Boston, and New York. You can expect the living expenses between $15,000 to $37,000 US, which is approximately 12 to 30 lakh rupees. अगर आपको ये expenses high लग रहे हैं तो डरिए मत. Most of the US business schools offer merit-based scholarships based on your academic achievements, your work experience, your GMAT GRE score, essays, and your interview. Here are the most popular MBA scholarships which can cover up to full tuition fee and living expenses. The second country on our agenda is Canada. You can easily find Indian students in Canada studying MBA because it offers prestigious degrees from world's best universities like Rotman, Ivy, McGill, York, and Queen's University. Their tuition fee ranges from $53,000 to $1,36,000 Canadian dollars, which is approximately 32 to 82 lakh rupees. Very expensive, right? But before you skip to the next country, let me tell you some budget-friendly options too. Newfoundland, Cape Breton, Prince Edward Island, Winnipeg, and Brandon University. Tuition fee for these universities varies from $33,000 to $42,000 Canadian dollars, roughly 24 to 33 lakh rupees. Toronto, Montreal, and Ottawa, 3 of the most popular cities where Indian students stay. You should notice that Canada is significantly cheaper than the USA, so it can be an attractive option for you. You can cover your tuition fee and living expenses with many scholarships offered by universities. I'm sure अब आपको idea हो गया होगा of expected expenses for an MBA in Canada. These scholarships will cover your tuition fee and living expenses up to 100%. Let's take the ride to Europe now. And when we talk about Europe, the first country that comes to mind is UK. UK offers a unique and rich educational experience whether you study MBA or any other program. Their MBA programs focus on giving you a strong foundation in business and teach you to think critically. Let's talk about the top 5 universities in UK for an MBA. Oxford, Cambridge, Imperial, Manchester, and Warwick. Their tuition fee varies from £52,000 to £78,000. In Indian currency, it is approximately 54 lakh to 82 lakh rupees. Top universities में ट्यूशन फी काफी हाई ही होती है, so money could be a big hurdle for you. But अगर आपने UK को ही अपना फाइनल चॉइस बना लिया है, तो here are some affordable universities in the UK to study MBA. Wales, Cumbria, Bolton, Leeds Bucket and Portsmouth. The tuition fees are quite affordable, varies from 7,000 to 15,000 pounds, which is approximately 8 lakh to 16 lakh rupees. Before you finalize any university, don't forget to check out the living expenses also, so you get an accurate idea of your finances. Three most popular cities are London, Manchester and Birmingham, where most students live. और other cities के expenses भी इसी range में होते हैं. So you can estimate your budget, which will be around 7,000 to 23,000 pounds, which means 7 lakh to 24 lakh rupees per year. इन सभी expenses को cover करने के लिए you can apply for these scholarships that covers up to full tuition fees and living expenses. These are the most popular scholarships in UK, but there are many other options too. Top universities की बात हो रही हो तो how can we forget the country which is currently increasing in popularity? Germany is very popular among Indian students because of its high quality education and research opportunities. Here are top 5 universities for an MBA in Germany: WHU, Mannheim, ESMT, HHL Leipzig and Munich. Their tuition fee ranges from 33,000 to 49,000 euros, which is approximately 30 lakh to 45 lakh rupees. This is significantly lower than the tuition fee in USA and UK. But Germany is also popular for its high quality education at affordable prices. These are the universities with low tuition fees: Bremen, Berlin, Cologne, Göttingen and Bochum. The tuition fee for these universities ranges from 12,000 euros to 18,000 euros, which is approximately 11 lakh rupees to 16 lakh rupees. Berlin and Munich are the most popular destination for Indian students. The living expenses including rent, transportation, food and entertainment are between 8,000 euros to 17,000 euros, which is approximately 6 lakh to 13 lakh rupees per year. Scholarships can make studying in Germany even more affordable. Some of the popular scholarships are right here on your screen. Como Oblier Law France. How can we forget France when talking about Europe's top countries? Recently, French President Emmanuel Macron shared his goal to have 30,000 Indian students studying in France by 2030. That will open a lot of doors for Indian students looking for an MBA in France. Grab the opportunity before it's too late. Here are the top 5 universities for an MBA in France: HEC Paris, INSEAD, ASAC, ESCP and SCHEMA. The tuition fee for these universities ranges from 32,000 euros to 98,000 euros, which is approximately 29 lakh to 88 lakh rupees. Just because a university isn't on top 5 list doesn't mean it can't offer an exceptional education. Here are some incredible but budget-friendly options that won't compromise on quality. Paris, Lyon, Marseille are all amazing cities, and that's why they are popular among Indian students. But their impact on your wallet can be different. The yearly living expenses including all the amenities are between 9 to 16,000 euros, which is around 7 to 15 lakh rupees. To encourage students to study in France, there are several government funded and private funded scholarships available. They can be quite generous and even cover up to 100% tuition fees and living expenses. Even though France offers a wealth of opportunities, Europe boasts some other excellent choices as well. This brings me to Ireland. Let's keep the momentum going and let's talk about the top 5 universities in Ireland for an MBA. Trinity, UCD Smurfit, Dublin, Cork and Limerick. The tuition fee for these universities ranges from 18 to 36,000 euros, which is in Indian currency 16 to 33 lakh rupees. When it comes to studying MBA, Ireland is a great option for students looking for a quality education without the hefty price tag. LIT, GMI and DVS are 3 universities perfect for those students who are budget conscious but still want a top-notch education. The tuition fee for these universities starts from 15,000 to 20,000 euros, which is approximately 13 lakh to 18 lakh rupees. Choosing a university is one piece of the puzzle. The cost of living in your chosen city will significantly impact your experience. Let's explore how your student budget might stretch in Dublin, Cork and Limerick. As you can see in the table, the yearly cost is between 7,000 to 20,000 euros, which is around 6 lakh to 18 lakh rupees. Now that you have a better understanding of living expenses, here are some fantastic scholarship opportunities to help you ease the financial burden. After exploring Ireland, let's set our sights eastward, another educational hub, Singapore. Here are the top 5 universities in dynamic Asian country: NUS, INSEAD, NTU, SMU and SIM. The tuition fee for these universities ranges from 50,000 to 99,000 Singapore dollars, which is around 30 lakh to 82 lakh rupees. This might not fit everyone's budget, but the good news is Singapore has affordable universities that delivers high quality education. Let's explore some excellent options that are easier on your wallet. MDIS, Kaplan and James Cook. The tuition fee for these universities are between 38,000 Singapore dollars to 45,000 Singapore dollars. That means 23 lakh rupees to 27 lakh rupees. As Singapore is a comparatively smaller country with most people living in the city, it is more expensive than other countries around the world. Here's a breakdown of what you can expect to spend on rent, travel, food and other entertainment. While Singapore offers affordable universities and a vibrant student life, managing your finance can still be a struggle. Thankfully, scholarships can bridge the gap. Here are some scholarships options for the international students like yourself. Singapore impressed us with its quality of education, but we have saved Australia for the end. Let's explore the top 5 universities in Australia, a popular destination for international students looking for a high quality MBA. Melbourne, Sydney, UNSW, Macquarie and UQ. The tuition fee for these universities are between 75,000 to 106,000 Australian dollars. Don't be afraid of the high fees because Australia has some affordable options too. USQ, Victoria, ECU, Charles Sturt and Southern Cross. The tuition fee for these universities are between 37 to 57,000 Australian dollars, which is between 20 to 31 lakh rupees. Studying in Australia is an exciting prospect, but before you pack your bags, consider the living cost as well. Here's a breakdown of the expenses in Sydney, Melbourne and Brisbane. The cost of living is between 12 to 23,000 Australian dollars annually. Studying an MBA in Australia is an investment in your future, and scholarships can maximize this investment by significantly reducing your financial burden. Here are some popular scholarships options to consider, allowing you to focus on your post-MBA career. This brings us to the end. आज मैंने आपको expenses से related सारी चीजें बता दी है, including top universities, affordable universities, their tuition fees and living expenses in the most popular cities. इसके साथ साथ मैंने आपको बहुत सारी scholarships के बारे में भी बताया. अगर आप MBA प्लान कर रहे हैं और कंफ्यूज्ड हैं कि आपके लिए कौन सा ऑप्शन बेस्ट है, then you can book a free counseling session with our experts at Admitex. They will guide you in pursuing your MBA end to end. So that's it for today's video. I hope this series is helping you with planning for an MBA. Don't forget to check out the part 4 जहां मैंने post study visa, jobs and salaries and ROI की बात की है. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe the channel and comment below your preferred country to study MBA.